If your debit card has been lost, stolen, or damaged, you can easily request a replacement directly from the Scotiabank mobile app without visiting a branch. In this video, you'll learn how to replace your debit card on Scotiabank app. Start by opening the Scotiabank app and logging in. From the home screen, tap on Banking, then select the account that is linked to your debit card. This will take you to the Account Overview page where you'll see options such as Transfer From, Send Money, More, and Manage. Tap on Manage to access card-related settings. Once you're on the Manage page, scroll down until you find the option labeled Replace or Change Card. Select this option to continue. You'll now see information explaining what happens when you replace your card, including that a new card will be mailed to you. Review the details to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to proceed, tap the red Replace Card button at the bottom of the screen and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the request. After submitting the request, your current card may be deactivated, and a new debit card will be sent to your registered address. This process helps protect your account if your card has been lost or stolen and ensures you can continue accessing your funds safely. And that's all there is to it. Replacing your debit card through the Scotiabank app is fast, secure, and can be done in just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials for simple ways to manage your banking directly from your phone.